Hello everyone! Today, I would like to introduce to you a special repair lathe for CKL-26Q wheels independently developed by. The system adopts our self-developed wheel hub repair system, supports 3 detection methods. One click to the knife, one click output program. Programs can be saved and can be called at any time. The operation is simple and efficient. Support language and logo brand customization, make the equipment more suitable for your needs. Laser detection is fast and safe. It only takes 10 seconds to complete. The processing effect is perfect, bright as new. Pneumatic lift door, free your hands, easy to operate. Pull out excretion box, easy to clean. As a true manufacturer, we accept a variety of customized services. Voltage, language, logo, and shape functions can all be customized. We also provide efficient and high-quality after-sales services. Make sure your equipment can be used efficiently for a long time. You are welcome to visit our company at any time. Experience firsthand the power of our devices. You can contact me at any time if you have any questions.